Hi, and welcome to our Daktronics video tutorial for J series products. Today, we're going to show you how to replace a multifunction card in our J10 display. First, turn off the power to the display. Wait for about 30 to 40 seconds for the power to drain from the section. Next, remove the power cables from the tabs. Just loosen the screws and pull the cables out. Next, remove the ribbon cables by just pulling it backwards towards you. Now remove the multifunction hub card by holding onto the edges and slowly edging it out. Be careful with the pins, not to break them. There are 4 screws holding onto the card. You can remove them. Hold on to the card before you remove the last screw. With the new card, you can reverse the process, putting it on with the first screw on the screw post. Center it with the second screw on the top. And then you can tighten all 4 screws. Next, with your hub card, there are 3 connections to be made. Line up the pins and slowly depress into the card. Make sure the card is snug. Next, connect your ribbon cables. There are tabs on the ribbon cables, so they can only go in one direction. And you want to connect the first one to the first cable on the top of the display. Make sure all the cables are sitting in nicely. Then connect the power cables with the black tab on the bottom. Make sure that the spades go behind the screws. And then tighten the screws. Make sure it's snug and the cables don't come out. And you're ready to power on the display.